Yeah, well, this first machine, that's a linishing machine. It's rather quickly built device to sand castings and various other pieces of metal. The rotating belt gives you quite a good finish. I used a T-model Ford differential half to the stand. I saved that since 1948. It's part of the car I built when I was building this Formula 3 unit. I had two T-model Fords. I never knew when I'd use it, but in the end it was very handy. Makes quite a good stand. The next unit is a bandsaw, a metal cutting bandsaw I built about 3 years ago. It's either wood or metal. It's used to cut out various sections in up to 1/2 inch thick metal plate. It's very handy to give you various shapes and what have you. The power hacksaw, it's another homebrew effort. It's just a small, you can use ordinary 12-inch hacksaw blades or commercial blades. It's a very simply constructed device, built out of the major wheel as a lawnmower wheel, a full cast lawnmower wheel.